Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here a question that is called as a open chain structure of glucose or properties of glucose. It is a very important question. An exam point of view, the unit started biomolecules. In the subtopic we discuss here the what is a open chain structure of glucose or proof of open chain structure of glucose, or what here the properties of glucose. You know what is glucose? The glucose is a substance which is present in the combined state as well as in a free state in a nature. The glucose, it contain different types of compound, contain aldehyde functional group, 5 hydroxy group and 1 primary alcohol. So it's all the characteristic of a glucose. So the proof or the how many different compound are present in the glucose called as the what? Open chain structure of glucose or properties of glucose or proof of open chain structure of glucose. What is proof of open chain structure of glucose? It means in the open chain structure of glucose, it contains how many different types of substance. It contains a primary alcohol, it contains a carbonyl group, it contains aldehyde, it contains a hydroxy group. So all these chemical reaction I will be take here. So it is called as the what here? Chemical properties of glucose. What here? The chemical properties of glucose or open chain structure of glucose. Now first point, chemical reaction. So the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Now what is the proof? That is the glucose is the molecular formula of C6H12O6. So according to the what here, the ultraviolet rays and the colligative properties, according to the what ultraviolet rays and the what here colligative properties, the molecular formula of the what glucose is C6H12O6. क्लियर? यू नो द कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज. ये जो आपका यूनिट नंबर सेकंड फर्स्ट पार्ट में स्टडी करने वाले सोल्यूशन कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज. सेकंड पॉइंट ये द व्हेन द ग्लूकोज इज रिएक्ट विथ अ हॉट HI called as the hydrogen iodide. It means when the glucose is react with a hot HI, this reaction indicate that the glucose containing the 6 carbon. क्लियर है बेटा? इट्स अ प्रूफ. It means the glucose contains the molecular formula C6H12O6. Second, glucose contains 6 carbon. Why 6 carbon? So this when the HI, hot HI, it means the glucose react with in presence of a hot HI, it form the C6H14 called N-hexane molecule. This indicate the glucose contain a 6 carbon in the straight chain. How many carbon? ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा था बेटा आपको. What is the action of HI on? 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आएगा. What is the action of HI on hot HI on the glucose? So glucose on react with the hot HI, it form the N-hexane, means molecular formula C6H14. Or structural formula is what here? How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So it is a what here? N-hexane. What here? The N-hexane. Clear? So when the glucose structure is what here? CHO react with CHOH by 4. It is a what here? It is a closed structure. It is also called what here? The closed structure. If it is open structure, so open structure is different is here. So one CHO and the CHOH by 4, CH2OH is the formula of the glucose. On react with HI, what we get what here? N-hexane, molecular formula, structural formula. This reaction indicate glucose contain how many carbon? 6 carbon, straight chain. Second here. So third reaction, when glucose react with NH2OH called as hydroxylamine and HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay. So when the what here? HCl or what we take what is called as HCN, hydrogen cyanide. So first these reaction indicate when the glucose is react with the what here hydroxylamine and hydrogen cyanide, this reaction indicate the glucose confirm the presence of carbonyl group. Means which group here? C double bond O group called as what here? The C double bond called carbonyl group. It means glucose contain which group here? Carbonyl group. This reaction are confirmed with the help of NH2OH and HCN. Now reaction here. So when the glucose react with HCN, so in this reaction what we get? This CN is directly attached on what here? This carbon, this CH. Okay. Now this CHO as it is. Clear है बेटा? Now remaining part what here? It means the when we glucose react with the what here HCl. This CN is directly attached to the upper side of the glucose. So what we get here, and this H attached to this oxygen. So what we get a CHOH. This CHOH attached to the CN remaining. This called as glucose cyanohydrin. What here? Glucose. This reaction indicate the glucose contain what here? Which group? This CO group called as what here? Carbonyl group. Second same reaction, when a glucose react with the NH2OH called as what here? So NH2OH is hydroxylamine. So the NH2OH called as a hydroxylamine. NH2 means amine, HO hydroxylamine. So when this glucose react with NH2OH, this reaction also confirm the compound contain glucose contain a carbonyl group. By which reaction? So in this reaction, this two hydrogen and this one oxygen are goes as a loss of H2O molecule. Remaining part joined here, this CH attached to this N and this OH. So what we get? This CH double bond, this N and this OH remaining compound are as it is. So what we get here? It's from the oxime. What here? Hydroxyme. This reaction indicate the glucose contain what here? The carbonyl group. Now reaction number 4th, oxidation of the glucose. So the oxidation of glucose are take place into two way. First, by using the oxidizing agent Br2. Br2 in H2O, bromine in water. Okay. So when the glucose react with oxidation in presence of oxidizing agent bromine in water. Br2 means bromine, H2 means water. So what indicate? So this reaction, this oxygen is attached to this carbon. So what we get? This COOH, this COH. Remaining part are as it is CHOH by 4, CH2OH. It is called as glyconic acid or gluconic acid. So this reaction indicate the glucose contain what here? So glucose contain different types of what here? The aldehyde group. Which group here? Aldehyde group. So when the glucose is react with the oxygen in presence of bromine water, this reaction confirm presence of which group here? Aldehyde group. It means aldehyde contain what here? Glucose contain aldehyde group. Similarly, by using what the strong oxidizing agent HNO3 nitric acid. So when the glucose react with the 4 oxygen, so it form the what here? It form also the COH attached to gluconic acid. Okay. Now this further gluconic acid on reaction. So what we get here? So we get here the COH. It means further this reaction are carry on. So it form the COH. Remaining part are CHOH by 4 as it is. And here COOH called as what here? It is called as succinic acid. What here? Succinic acid. It means when the oxidation of the glucose take place in presence of strong oxidizing agent like that of nitric acid HNO3, it form the what here? Gluconic acid. Gluconic acid on further oxidation, addition of oxygen. So what we get? It form the succinic acid. So 4O, 2 oxygen are added here. This 2 added here. These and this 2 here added this. So what we get? 4O. So it form the what here? The gluconic acid, further oxidation, 2 oxygen added onto this side to form the succinic acid. So this reaction indicate the glucose contain what here? Aldehyde group. So all these reaction are proof to glucose contain different types of the compound. So the open chain structure of glucose or chemical property of glucose or proof of open chain structure of glucose. So first, molecular formula of glucose C6H12O6. Why? According to the colligative properties. What here? The colligative properties. The glucose have the molecular formula. What here? C6H12O6. Second here, on a glucose react with HI, hot HI. This reaction indicate the glucose contains 6 carbon. So this, it form the N-hexane. Third, reaction with NH2OH and the SCN. So this reaction confirm the what here? Presence of the carboxyl group. Okay? What here? Carbonyl group. What here? So SCN and NH2OH. Second, oxidation was first by using the oxidizing agent like Br2 bromine water. this reaction also conform the aldehyde. And second, strong oxidizing agent HNO3, this reaction also conform the what, the compound containing the what here. First, this reaction confirm the presence of aldehyde group, whereas the second strong oxidizing agent like that we added HNO3, this reaction confirm the glucose contain a primary alcohol. Which alcohol है? तो CH2 is called primary alcohol. ठीक है, क्लियर है बेटा. और लास्ट में आपको स्ट्रक्चर निकालना, ओपन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्लूकोज. तो यहाँ पर स्ट्रक्चर निकाल रहे हैं बेटा हम लोग, CHO, COH, H, CH, OH, this CH, OH, H. ठीक है, then this OH, H attached to the CHOH. So it is called as the open chain structure of what here, the glucose. ये आपको स्ट्रक्चर निकालना है बेटा, open chain structure of what here, glucose. It contains how many carbon? It contains 6 carbon. So first reaction contains 6 carbon. Second, it contains what here, how many OH group? So it contains how many, one is the aldehyde group, one also the, what here, one carbon group. Second is called last reaction. It also contains the primary alcohol. So all these reactions are indicate that the compound of glucose contain a what, different types of the substance. First reaction, this reaction confirm the glucose contains 6 carbon. Second reaction confirm the glucose contain a what here, the carbonyl group. Now third reaction confirm the fourth reaction confirm the what, the glucose contain a primary aldehyde. In the second point here, this last reaction confirm the what, compound contain a what, primary alcohol. इसकी 2 रिएक्शन और बाकी है, रिएक्शन नंबर 5, 6 हम लोग कल देखेंगे इसी टाइप का. ठीक है, ओके. ये स्ट्रक्चर ग्लूकोज का ओपन चेन है, ये क्लोज चेन है. ठीक है, ओके. इजी है टॉपिक. ये क्वेश्चन एक तो एक्सप्लेनेशन आएगा पूरा, एक्सप्लेन द ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्लूकोज, प्रूफ ऑफ ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्लूकोज और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ग्लूकोज. 6 मार्क्स के लिए आएगा या 2 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आते हैं. व्हाट इज द एक्शन ऑफ ग्लूकोज ऑन हॉट HI, व्हाट इज द एक्शन ऑफ द व्हाट NH2OH ऑन द HI, व्हाट वी गेट. और MCQ बन सकता है बेटा आपको, व्हाट इज द विच रिएक्शन कन्फर्म द ग्लूकोज कंटेन द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. तो ये देखना है आपको, विच रिएक्शन कन्फर्म द ग्लूकोज कंटेन प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, ये रिएक्शन लिखना पड़ेगी आपको. ग्लूकोज कंटेन अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप, ये रिएक्शन आपको देखना पड़ेगी. ओके, इस तरीके से टॉपिक हमारा फिनिश हुआ. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.